Where is ate?
Here.
Gapi? Hello, ate. Mira. Kain na muna kayo. What will you eat? Anong breakfast? Mm. Hello, Cassie. What are you eating?
Biscuit.
Ah. Oh, how about ate? Ano kinakain niya? Where is ate? Hello,
Here.
Mira. Hello.
Hi.
Nakakuha ako ng body kanina, coconut body. Sa sa coconut tree.
Huh? How did you get it?
Yeah. Like, I was playing kasi
Oh,
kanina.
you see a gift.
I was playing and nung pinag-press ko ito, a gift popped up. It was color violet. Tapos, coconut body yon. You know? Now I have two
There's
coconut
coins.
bodies.
There's coins or pet.
I have
Did
pet
you
now.
did
Oh.
you buy a lot? Did you buy three Care Bear? Three
I
Care
will buy
Bear?
now. I will buy now.
Please, can you buy it?
Yes.
But
Oh,
The
look.
rainbow bear.
Wait, look at this. Oh, baka coconut body to, oh. Oh, oh, di ba?
Oh, coconut
Coconut
body.
body. Yeah. Now I have 3. Oh, I have 2. Oh, so many
Coconut.
coconut. Yeah, I have many coconut body na, oh. Oh, 1, 2,
You
3.
got the big one. You got
Yeah.
the big one.
I will mutate this para maging riding, ano siya. Ano nga yung gusto mo ulit, Amira and Cassie?
Oh,
Before
I
bear?
like togetherness bear. A tree. I like the green one.
Good luck bear?
Yeah. I like togetherness bear.
Okay, 3?
Also me three. Yeah, three because we will level up it, and then after that we will
Ride.
put it. Yeah, put it over there. You have another coconut body, so put it over there. I know that. I'm
Yeah,
familiar that. Yeah, put it
but
there because you have the same one.
super battery
Now choose
ride?
regular, like regular.
Oh,
And now choose the coconut body.
isa pa
It's
lang.
only one.
Yeah, kasi I haven't leveled up the others. I'm
And,
still
and then if you
training.
level up, and then if you level up, you can ride her.
Yeah. Look, oh, I'm training the forest ranger bear.
Oh, I'm the one who gave it.
Yes. Thank you.
Cassie,
Oh, I have so
how did
many
you get
cards.
that? Huh?
I bought it using coins earlier. I
I
was
bought it.
playing.
I
Yeah.
buy. I did buy. Bought two. It's only two, like this. One,
Yeah.
one golden, I think, and then one blue.
Blue. Oh. Oh. Ito pa lang yung pets ko, oh. I'm still
You have a
training
lot.
coconut body.
You
Yeah.
have a lot.
I have 3 coconut bodies na, oh. 5. 5
Yeah, you
coconut
have no
bodies.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah.
There's Lily coconut body, and then
And
you name your one coconut body Daisy.
yes, Daisy, Lily, ito. Wala pang name sila. I will buy the Care Bear.
Yay!
Okay. Buy ko muna siya. Hold on. I'm just gonna make a bank transfer.
Okay.
What are you
I
watching? Wait lang. Wait for a while, ha?